In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your disabled Facebook account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If due to some reasons your Facebook account has been disabled and now you want to recover that disabled Facebook account, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search bar, and in the search bar type disabled Facebook account recovery, click on search. Now you need to click on this first link that says my personal account was disabled. Now in order to recover your disabled account, you need to fill out this form. So first enter the email address or mobile number that was linked with your Facebook account. After that, you need to enter your full name and then you need to provide some sort of identification to Facebook. You can use any government provided ID such as passport, driving license or your identification card. Once you have provided that, all you have to do is to scroll down and click on the send option. And once you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your disabled Facebook account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.